Good evening, everyone. Thank you. Welcome back to my Fit by Nature playlist. I am getting ready to attempt the 100 explosive plyometric push-up challenge that was started by Bruce Guns. So I have to make sure I throw that out there, give credit where credit is due, and acknowledge who started this challenge. So anyway, I'm gonna accept this challenge and go to That's Good Money YouTube channel. That's where you can see it. But also go to Bruce's channel, Bruce Guns. So anyway, I'm gonna attempt that, and let's do this. Let's see how it goes. Oh, before I do it, I just want to say uh, thank you to everyone who's shared and subscribed and liked and viewed, taking time out of your day. So I really appreciate that. I really do. I really appreciate that. Okay. So my goal is to do the 100, obviously, but I don't want to go over 10 minutes either. So whichever we get to first, that's where I'm going to stop at. So, but I'm trying. Hey, so here we go. I've practiced these too, so do not do this stuff cold turkey. I was practicing over the weekend. This better be recording. That's 20. That's 30. They say follow your first man, and I didn't. But I'm good. I'm not gonna hurt myself. What I meant by that is I was supposed to tape up my wrist. Something like this you wanna, even for someone advanced, you wanna tape up your wrist. I'm good, trust me, but I'll know to just wrap it up if maintaining good health and prevent injury. So again, it's not that serious as much as I enjoy, but I'm at the age where you get hurt and stuff. You don't bounce back like that, like that fast. So, all right. Ooh, arms tight. Okay, ready. 40. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm happy with that, right? Cause when I first saw him doing those, I was like, I passed on that challenge. But then I was like, well, I used to do a incline plyo push-up where you have like 2 chairs or 2 benches, and you about here, and I go down, so I have a deficit, to stretch out that chest, a deficit. And then I'll pop back up, and I'll do these. So maybe, because I did videotape myself this weekend practicing, and maybe I'll post that as well when I was practicing. All right, we're at 8 minutes 48 seconds, and I'm at 40 uh, explosive plyo push-ups. I'm just going to remain stationary at this point, um, just to further protect myself. Uh-oh, wait a minute, okay, let me stop. Let's get it from a different angle then in that case. I can't believe 50. God is my witness. I didn't think I was going to do 50. At 11 minutes and 43 seconds, I passed that 10, right? Guess what? I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. See how much further I can go before my body says, wrap it up, girl. Oh my gosh. 50! Eee! Okay. So, right now I'm saying to myself, you're halfway there. You're halfway there. And my wrists are fine. My wrists are fine, honest to God. My wrists are fine. Good. All right. 60. Oh my gosh. 60. Okay. We're at 14 minutes, 50 seconds. All right, I'm gonna see if I can keep going. I have what? 40 more. All right, we're on 15 minutes. Let me just see. Wish me luck, y'all. Prayers, luck, prayers, luck. Well, I'm feeling a pump right now. Oh, I'm just playing. Okay. That girl at 70. I have to see now. I have no choice, no regards to the time, because when I did those Mike Tyson push-ups, that first attempt was 70, second attempt was 72. I ain't stopping at 70 son. Get that. I was born in the 70s, but I love the 80s. Oh, breakdance. Ooh, love the music. Those neon colors, parachute pants. Oh, man. We finna go for 80, y'all. At 18 minutes. Yeah, I'm pumped up now. What? Woo! Had to stop right there. Heard something. All right, let me stop playing. Get serious. We're at 1838. 80. 80. I don't think y'all heard me. 80! Whew. 20 minutes, 32 seconds. I know it's well over 10 minutes, but this is worth it. I mean, I'm about to make history with myself. And it's going to be documented that I did. You don't understand. I never even did stuff like this when I was like young. All right. I'm going for the 100. I hope y'all hanging there with me in the video, but I'm going for it. And I had that self-gratification, so either way, but I'm going for it. It's only 20 more left. I know at this point, I'm sure there's somebody looking at us like, girl, do that. Finish it. And that's what I'm gonna do. Thank you. So I only have 20 left. So we're at 21:48. And after this, I'm gonna treat myself to a big meal and dessert. All right, here we go. $90. I'm at the home stretch. Pew! Oh. That girl at the home stretch. Oh man. Yes. That's 100, but let me celebrate after I do 2 more, cause I just want to clean up those last 2 reps. This is history. "26 minutes, 26:39. Again, thank y'all for y'all support. Those who sincerely cheering me on, and you could watch anyone else, but you took time to watch my videos, and I truly appreciate that. I just want to say that. And before I sign off, shout out to Miss Naima. I had to save the best for last. She showed sisterly love in the chats. That's what I'm talking about. Sisters supporting each other, women supporting each other.